So guys, if you have zero sales in your Clickbank account, you need to watch this video right now. So if you're struggling to get your first sale, or if you're not consistent in getting your sales with Clickbank, then you need to watch this video. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Simple, straightforward, and no bullshit. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, first thing is first guys, again, first we are gonna choose an offer. Okay, and again, one, we'll be sorting by gravity, and again we would be scrolling down. And again, someone who's really new, I would always say go to the second page. But if you're someone who is into affiliate marketing, who knows about it, then you can stick on the first page. So currently I'm choosing an offer, Icaria juice. So again, even I don't know how to pronounce it, but guess what guys, again, let me refresh the page just for you guys. I got a sale for around $362 with around like $10 click, so which means I got a good ROI. And I don't even know how to pronounce the product name, but then it doesn't matter until and unless you're making the sale, right? So again, I chose this product. First things first, let me just go on here, the demographics. Check what demographics are they. So age 35 plus, definitely men and women, 50-50, USA, Canada, so all tier 1 countries, Western Europe, Northern Europe. So don't forget those as well, because again, people always try to just select the location USA, Canada, UK, but if you select Western Europe and Northern Europe, again the competition is low as well. Okay, so once you know the demographic, once you have selected your offer, now you need to create a landing page. Okay, so again, this is my landing page right now. So this is my domain and this is my landing page here right now. So again, this is my landing page, and again, I'm creating generic ads. I'm not creating branded ads. I'm creating generic keyword ads. So again, this is how I got a landing page. When I click over here, it will open to the offer page, which is fizzy juice dissolve 62 lbs of shocking fat. That's done. Now one more thing which you need to do is message the seller, okay, and ask him for the keywords. Okay, so literally one of the examples I could give you is I had done it for Steel Bite Pro. They give me an example that these are the example keywords which are converting. Okay, so again, first you need to collect all the information about the product. Okay, understand the product. So literally you can go read over here as well. So copy ideas, they give you all of these copy ideas. Okay, just get all these ideas. If you need more information about the product, get your email swipes as well. So sometimes what I do is on my landing page, I can just add this as well, like drink this fizzy juice to dissolve 2.3 lbs overnight. So this is my landing page right now. What I could do is I might create another variation of it where it will say like this. Okay, so this also looks really good, right? So even with your email ad copy, you can create like something like this as well. Okay, so just read your email creatives as well, you can get an idea. Okay, so now I know everything about it. So I know my landing page, I know my offer, I know all the demographic. Now the simple thing to do is just create an ad, right? So again, I can go create in Google Ads, or I can go create in Microsoft Ads as well. I would stick with Microsoft Ads. The reason for that is with less money you can get more clicks, plus it's much more cheaper than Google Ads. Plus once you can start making money over here, you can use the same technique in Google Ads as well and scale it to the moon. Very simple. All I can do is just click on create, visit my website, click on search ads. Okay, again, I'll just name this test. You can put a budget of $100. Okay, now what you could do is $100. Let me choose specific location. I can say United. Okay, United States. Again, you can just go back on the demographics over here. Where did it go? Okay, New Zealand, Western Europe. So what I could do is I can type Europe as well. Okay, literally I can target Europe and everything, the all of Europe as well, New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand, Ireland, whatever, all of these things you can just add it over here. Okay, all of these UK, Ireland, Australia, which I'm not gonna do right now. Okay, click on English. Okay, save and go to next step. Okay, I'll just do like this. Okay, save and go to next step. Okay, now keywords. So I would say this is Ikeda and group. Okay, now keywords again. Now what I can do is literally I can go and just right now, if I don't have the keyword list, what I could do is literally go over here on the landing page. Okay, just copy this landing page, paste it over here. Okay, so again I would say open this up. Okay, so I would do is add this keyword, go on the next fat burning supplement. Okay, no, I would not do this is branded keyword, so I'm not going to do that. I would do this thing as well. Okay, so again what I could do is just copy it, remove this and paste it in one ad group itself. Okay, go on next. Okay, just find different kind of keywords. So I would go over here, go on the next page. I would like this one as well. Okay, perfect. Remove and then paste it over here. Okay, save and go to next step. Okay, now I'm just gonna go create an expanded text ad. Right now this is my landing page. Okay, what I could do for the title, I could just go on the landing page and I can do same thing, watch video now or watch video now. Again, to get more ideas, what you could do is literally go on the high converting email template. You can copy it from here as well, or something you can write on your own. So what I could write is I could write something like this. Okay, a secret to lose my belly. I struggled for years with fat until I found this one secret trick. So again, 1 cup shrinks your belly, arm and back fat while you sleep. Watch video now. I can go back over here. I can go save. Okay, I can create another variation. Again, I'm not an ad copy expert, but again I'm just giving you some guidelines as well. So literally I can just copy this over here. Okay, and then again go back on the template. What else I could do? Delicious juice, bones. I can say this. Okay. Okay, I can say this delicious juice burns up to 62 lbs fat. So no, what else I could do is I can just go back. I can do like this, right? This smells. L60 fine out. Oh, like 1 cup before bed. Oh, like this, right? Something like this. 1 cup before bed shrinks 62 lbs of clock fat. This is something which is really amazing as well. Well, people will click on it. Again, now I'm not an ad copy expert, but again, just mix and match, do your testing. Again, you need to add your tracking template as well. Okay, which I'm not gonna do it right now because I've showed it in my free crash course. The link is down below. It's a free course. It will show you everything about affiliate marketing, about tracking, how to create a landing page, how to create a site link. So I'm not going to show you the site links, call to action, call extension, price extension, structured snippet, location. Everything is in my free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. Just go save and go to next step. Again, I would leave the bid as it is. Again, I'll target everything, go on save, and just run the ads. And now just wait for the clicks, and you can just optimize it on where are you getting the most clicks. And again, literally I got around $362 with this lean belly juice, Ikira lean belly juice. So again, you can do the same thing as it is, and you can start making money. And again, it's very simple. And guys, if you need any help, I have a free course on affiliate marketing. If you have any confusion, I've shown you over there step by step on how you can create a landing page, tracking, creating ad copies. Everything is in much more detail, so go and check out that course. And I think so that's it for today's video. If you found this valuable, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.